Miss Celia. What we are learning about is code.org. In code.org, we always do stuff about computers. And about computer is strategy, and this is not just about strategy, it's fun. And this is your first page. Then go to Hour of Code. When it takes you to the second page, we always have to count it to get to the bad piggy. So, as an example, I'm on the page right now, and I have to go count to 1, 2, 3 to get to the bad piggy. Then I just hit 4 2 more times. Then it gets to the bad piggy. Here's a short video.
I was in 8th grade when I learned to program.
I first learned how to make a green circle and a red square appear on the screen.
You just learn these lessons, and there aren't that many of them, and you just eventually can get to the point where you can do almost anything that you want.
Computer science is just learning how a computer works and how it thinks so that you can teach it to do new things.
These days, what you can do in computer science is pretty much amazing.
I think it's the closest thing we have to a superpower.
In the next hour, we're going to play a game that will teach you the basic concepts of programming. Usually programming is all in text, but we'll use Blockly, which uses visual blocks that you drag and drop to write programs. Under the hood, you're still creating code. To start off, we're going to build code for a program that will help this angry bird move through a maze to get to the evil pigs that stole its eggs. Blockly is split into 3 main parts. On the left is the bird's maze, where your program will run. The instructions for each level are written below the maze. This middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that the bird can understand. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program. If I drag the move block to our workspace and press run, what happens? The bird moves forward 1 box on the grid. And what if I want the bird to do something after the move forward on 1 box? I can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the turn right block, and I'll drag it underneath my move block until the yellow arrow appears. And then I'll drop it, and the 2 blocks will snap together. When I press run again, the bird will perform the commands that are stacked from top to bottom on our workspace. If you ever want to delete a block, just remove it from the stack and drag it to the trash can. After you've hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get the bird back to the start. Now let's get those pigs.
Now here's a video of our president learning how to code.
Hello everybody, how you doing? Good to see you. What's your name? Nice to see you. What's your name? Adriana. I just want to say to everybody, Code.org is doing some incredible work, and I am so proud of the young people who are here today. Came down from New Jersey on a big field trip, but all across the country, people are doing code. We're starting too late when it comes to making sure that our young people are familiar not just with how to play a video game, but how to create a video game.
Right here, it tells you that you have to move forward.
Okay, you gotta slow down because I'm an old man.
So right here?
So what's going on here?
You're making a block.
Because of Code.org, because of the collaboration with schools, and because of these outstanding students, somebody in this room I suspect is going to come up with some outstanding new game, or new device, or something that I won't be able to figure out, but Malia and Sasha will be able to teach me how to use.
Girls can do anything. Anything. Don't let anybody tell you you can't.
Don't give up. And don't just say, well, I'm not good at it, you know. I'm just not going to do it. You've got to make sure that you stay with it. And that's what teachers are there for, right? I'm proud of you guys.